Good morning, hello. And if you're watching this video, it's gonna be a quick and easy rundown on what I did to make my M52, M54 with dual vanos, super duper reliable. And just give you some tips and tricks on to how to keep your 200 wheel horsepower stormtrooper pooper trooper going. So for me, I have you don't have to put exhaust. That's just my personal preference. Exhaust. The secondary injection delete for the cats because I don't have exhaust. M50 intake. You don't need to do this, by the way. These are just the mods. I'm going down the list. Hot air intake because I didn't connect it to the front fender yet, so still getting some hot air from the engine bay. But I'm gonna move on to the mods that made my car super reliable, and one of them I don't even have yet. So this radiator, you can see it's kind of been through some repairs. I ordered an aluminum radiator, E36 M54 tucked radiator, so I'm gonna try to get it underneath here like a lot of E36 guys do. But if you get an aluminum radiator without plastic end caps, that thing will last you forever. And then this is something new that I've seen. This is an aluminum thermostat from like Max Speeding Rods or whatever. As long as you have an OEM thermostat and move my finger too fast, and you replace that to an OEM sensor, and you could actually get a Mishimoto like thermostat that opens a couple like 10 degrees Celsius cooler and put it into that. Like you will never have to touch that thing again. I guess to change the gaskets maybe, but like the thermostat itself is a lifetime unit, and you just have to change the sensors and the gaskets. Same thing with the aluminum valve cover. I used to have leaks everywhere. There's still remnants of some leaks. Yeah, everywhere, bro, everywhere. And I guess my valve cover warped and cracked and just sprayed oil all over my engine bay everywhere I went. That immediately fixed the problem. And I'm gonna try to peek under there too. Like there's no oil underneath there. I used to have oil next to the spark plugs, going everywhere, smoking underneath the hood. My car could have caught fire. So that is a safety issue, honestly. I deleted my CCV, crankcase recircuit, whatever. And I just put an oil catch can, but I haven't found a really good place to mount it yet. I really want to mount it there. But I just got like a really tall, dorky catch can. So if I could get a smaller one, I'll find a better place to mount it. Probably mount it back there because I don't have like the wire cover, or somewhere over here maybe, but that's probably too far. I'll figure it out later. Now it's not the video. But my engine has about 200 and something thousand miles on it. Starts up every time, has a little smoke on startup, but just keep it topped off. It's good, and no more oil leaks. 0 oil leaks. Like that's not even from my car. That's from a Subaru. A long story short, yeah, that's from a FRS BRZ. But yeah, this BMW does not leak oil at all, and it's awesome. And that's my 5-minute video tips and tricks on how to keep your M54, M52 TU super reliable. Make sure you change the oil pan gasket. That's number one. Make sure you change the valve cover to an aluminum one or an M56 one if you could find them. They're the same, but like the M56 is an OEM aluminum one. I'm pushing my car. I'm leaning my car and I'm pushing my car. That's crazy. My car's so light. Yeah, don't forget to put it in gear.